Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Snibe Maglumi FSH CLIA test kits. You can see that this is the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and you can see the product name over here FSH CLIA, and this is a C certified IVD product, and you can see the content details. What are the content present inside this kit are listed here. I'm just going to show you that. You can see that 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 1 ml of calibrator low and 1 ml of calibrator high, and 5.5 ml of buffer and 10.5 ml of ABI label, and 1 ml of control 1 and 1 ml of control 2. These are the content present inside, and you can see the reference number of the product over here. This is 130252001M. This is the reference number, and the shelf life of the product is 18 months. Over here you can see the manufacturing details of Snibe Maglumi. Here you can see the temperature control. The product should be kept in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of the product. I am just going to show you the side view. This is the side view. Here also you can see the brand name Snibe Maglumi and product name FSH and reference number of the product 130252001M, and this is the back side. Now I am just going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can find the instruction manual for Snibe Maglumi FSH kit. Over here you can see the reference number of the kit is 130252001M. This is for 10 tests per kit. In this instruction manual you can see how to use the product and what is the principle and what are the content present inside, and warning and precaution, and how to handle the reagent kit, and how to store the specimen, and the stability of the product and procedure, how to follow the test. All the details are present in this instruction manual. I am just going to place this aside. After that you will get a certificate from Snibe Maglumi. This is the certificate for inspection quality approval certificate for this product. After that there will be a seal for reagent kits. You can see this is the reagent seal for FSH test kit from Snibe Maglumi. And after that you will be having stickers for FSH control 1 and control 2. Each is of 4 numbers. I am just going to place this aside. After that, these are the control 1 and control 2 for FSH test kit. I am just going to take this out. You can see that this is Snibe Maglumi FSH CLIA control 2. You can see the expiry date and temperature control and brand name over here. And this is of the volume of this reagent is 1 ml. After that, this is Snibe Maglumi FSH control 1. Here also you can see the temperature control and everything stuffs. This is also of volume 1 ml. I am just going to place this aside. After that, you can see this is the reagent kit of Snibe Maglumi FSH test. You can see the content present in it. This comes up with a 2.5 ml of magnetic microbead, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, and 5.5 ml of buffer, and 10.5 ml of ABI label. These are the content present. Over here you can also see the brand name Snibe. This is a C certified IVD product. This should be keep away from direct sunlight, and this should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is for 100 test reagent kit. Yeah, this is the back side of the kit. To summarize it, Snibe Maglumi FSH CLIA test kit consists of one instruction manual, one quality certificate, and one reagent seal, and 4 number of control 1 seal and 4 number of control 2 seals, and 1 ml of control 1 FSH CLIA control 1, 1 ml of FSH CLIA control 2, and reagent kit that consists of 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 5.5 ml of buffer, and 10.5 ml of ABA level. Yeah, these are the content present in it. Thank you.